Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another review video. So for today's video I wanted to review the Nova trimmer because I recently came across this trimmer. We're all in quarantine and I wanted to give my husband a haircut, and we were actually in our local department store and we came across this trimmer, and this was the only trimmer that was available, right? So we had no other option but to buy it. So it's the Nova NS216 trimmer. This is the box of the trimmer. It looks super cheap, and you know what, I had some doubts buying this trimmer, but then again, you know what, we had no other option, right? So I settled for this trimmer. So we bought this trimmer and I cut my husband's hair, and I used the trimmer to give him a fade on the backside of his head, right? And this trimmer performed absolutely amazing, you guys. So I thought I should write a review about it because the Nova brand is actually one of the cheapest brands available in the market, and also this Nova trimmer is actually one of the most cheapest trimmers available in the market, which performs really well. So I got it for like 270 rupees. But the MRP says that it's 230 rupees, but it was on sale for 270. I'm very sure if you go online, say like Amazon or Flipkart or any other website, you'll get it for even cheaper than 270 rupees. So I'll definitely check out those websites, and I'll put the links down below so you could buy it from there. So we'll jump right into the review. So you guys, I'm going to read what's written on the box. Okay, so I'm going to read what they claim. So it says sharp blade, high endurance, which I will definitely second. I had the bronze silk epilator which comes with a trimmer head, and let me tell you, that trimmer was not as sharp as this, which is what shocked me, right? So I was like, Braun, German company, German blade, blah 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 blah. But the performance of this cheap thing is actually so good when compared to what the Braun did. So I was actually in really high shock. So it says charging time is 12 hours, 4.5 volts, 100 mAh. So if you understand what that means, then good. That's the electricity that's required to charge it, and you should charge it for 12 minutes. And after charging, what they say is discharge for 45 minutes continuously after charging. So make sure that the electricity that you do put inside the trimmer, right, make sure that you take it out completely, that you really just use all the power for 45 minutes and then you put it for charge. So if you're not use the epilator for like 45 minutes, then make sure that you use it for 45 minutes and then put it for charge, and that will make sure that the equipment really works fine. So you guys, apart from that, it's got a charging cord, it's got a brush for cleaning, and it's got 3 razor heads. So I'm going to talk about those quickly. So you guys, this is how it looks. So the charging cord, right, it's not very long, and also it's got this sort of 2-pin charger, and it's not very long, you guys. This is how big it is, and you're gonna have to charge it somewhere close by, and because you're charging it for 12 hours, I mean, like, just charge it and leave it there. And then you've got a tiny bit of oil. I don't know what you use this oil for because I'm pretty new with the product, so I'm not exactly sure, but it's very little bit of oil. I think it's for cleaning, or it should be for better performance. And then you have a small sort of brush, and this is for cleaning the trimmer. And let me tell you guys, you think that this little brush is useless, but I've had this bronze silk epilator, and the brush that came with it was amazing. It really helped to get away all the hair, and it was really, really beautiful. So don't think that this brush is like useless, but because you can definitely use this to clean your trimmer. See, like this, and it actually freaking works. And if you lose this sort of brush, right, you'll actually be out searching for this brush because it's that useful, you guys. I'm not even kidding. And no, you can't replace this brush with like a toothbrush. A toothbrush will not do the proper cleaning job that this brush does. Like, trust me on this. So you guys, it's got 3 razor heads, right? So the 3 razor heads are like 3mm, 6mm and 9mm. And I was like, when I was like trimming my husband's hair, I was like, okay, let me use 9mm because it'll be a little longer. So I want it to be long over here, and then 6mm and then 3mm. So that'll be like a nice fade, you know, blah blah blah. I was like, okay, let me just do that, right? And I put the 9mm one, and the 9mm one is so short. It's so short. It's like the tiniest hair that you will ever see. So 9mm itself is like really short, so you can actually imagine how short you know, like 3mm or 6mm will be. So you actually get that really nice. Imagine if you're a guy and you want to like shave your head, or a girl, or you want to shave your head. So if you just basically want to shave your head, right, you can use this trimmer. This is the trimmer that you would use to like shave your head, and it's so good. It gets into the nook and corners, you guys, and it's so comfortable actually when you're using it, like, you know, like for the bend of your head. It really goes to every side. Like, you know, I was like trimming on the sides for him and everything, and it worked perfectly fine. So the trimmer heads are actually really useful, and they go on pretty you know, easily. They just go on. So I'm going to show you the trimmer first, and then I'm going to like clip on one of these and show you guys how it works. So this is the trimmer, you guys. You can see that Nova is written on it. This is the trimmer head. Look how solid this trimmer head is, and it's got a power button over here on. That is the sound, and once you put it on charge, that is an indicator button over here. So I'm just going to connect it and show you the indicator turning red. So this is an indication that it's charging, and it operates while charging, but I wouldn't really suggest that you use it while charging, but it works perfectly fine, you guys. And that is the indication that it's charging. The power is on and off, so that is your indication. And this is like a very, you know, compact trimmer. It fits in your hand. If you're traveling, you could just take like the charger and the heads. Like, you don't have to really even just carry the box. You just put it in your bag and just travel, and this is good. Now I'm gonna like clip on one of these you know, trimmer heads onto this and show you guys how it works. So it's got a little bit of a clip over here, right? And you know, like put it behind over here, and make sure that you fix the razor head over here, and put your palm over here and just press it. You heard that? So that then this goes on. But when you're removing it though, please be careful, because if you put a lot of pressure, right, the head as such will come off. Let me show you. See, it came off with the head, and this is what you see. But this does not mean that it's broken by any chance. It just means that you pulled it out too hard, and you need to like just fix it. So you guys, on that note, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video useful, please give it a like, please share and subscribe. And also, if you got this trimmer, let me know. If you have any other cheap trimmer which works amazingly well and you know of such a trimmer, please leave it in the comment section down below. Let's all talk and find useful things which are cheap, which is amazing. And also, you guys, please have a conversation with me in the comment section. I respond to each and every comment, you guys. I try to respond to each and every one of you. That's what I'm doing throughout the day. Whenever I get a notification from YouTube and I see it's a comment, I quickly just jump in and I just respond to people, because I love talking to you guys. You guys are all so positive and so encouraging and so loving. I love the YouTube community better than any other social media, to be honest, because Instagram is really negative, you guys. Facebook, like, nobody uses Facebook, but YouTube, this community is so encouraging, so loving, and so forward thinking, which is something that I absolutely love. So please comment, and please stay tuned for my next video. I'll see you guys again. Bye.